after you fill it, the top just kind of like doesn't ever quite like fit correctly. And when you go to fill it, you lift this up, it leaks out of the bottom here, little by little, when you're walking with it, even when it's considered empty. There's like a little bit left and it still leaks on you when you go to fill it. Not made very well. There's no like, you just set it and hopefully it seals itself because there's just nothing to it.
So this is plugged and I put some water in it. It's cleaned. I keep up the maintenance really well on these things and it's not working. You turn it on, nothing. It only lasted for 5 months. Doesn't last more than a year. I'm very disappointed. It worked and now it no longer works. So if you want a temporary humidifier, get this one. It's not gonna last that long.
Yeah, this is the CHIVALZ humidifier I got from Amazon. I just use regular tap water for now. They say to use distilled water if possible. But I guess as long as I keep it clean regularly, I shouldn't have any problems with it.